ID card making software. You can design your new ID cards. For example, thousands of students' data you can upload into the software, and you can create, multiple ID cards at a time. For example, to design one ID card in Photoshop, any other platform, it will take a hell of a lot of time. But in this ID Daddy software, which I am going to demonstrate you, just upload your Excel sheet, the students' data, and in one side you will get all the ID cards with the design. You can do the design as well. You can upload your theme as well. And two requirements recently, some of my customers they asked me that the ID cards need to be printed in the A4 sheet, which is the PVC printer. And number two requirement, which some customers they ask me, like they want to send a link to a client. Client will fill the details, and automatically this information will data should collect in the software. This all implementation we have done recently. So let me demonstrate you first of all this ID Daddy software, and to download this software, right below in this video description you can just you can find a URL. You can just download and install in your Windows PC. It is an exe file, directly you can install it, and in the desktop you will find an icon like that, ID Daddy. Just click on that and you will find login page first of all. Let me show you that one also. So you can, if you are a new user, you can create your account over here. Just click on that and inform your informations. And I have already registered this one, and I just logged in. So, and go to, see, this is a home screen actually. Go to the data upload over here. So in the data upload, you have an ability to create multiple, folders. For example, you are maybe handling multiple schools at a time, or multiple hospital, multiple school. Wherever you need ID cards, you can create a folder for that particular school or colleges, whatever it is. So for creating a folder, and for example, St. George School. Okay, create a folder. So for the St. George School, there is a folder created. So whatever the data you are going to upload, it will save over there, and even after 1 year, 2 year also, you can reprint the data again. For add a new member one by one, you can click here, and here you will get a fantastic technology that create a link. You can send this link to anyone, and those person can fill the data. Let me show you. Go to the Google Chrome. I'm going to paste that link in the Google Chrome. Look at that. They can upload, take their photos, all this information they can fill, and this information, everything we don't want to make it enabled. Here also you have a control, which are the data you need to enable. And once the client they submit it, you will get all the information in your PC here. And here you can variable check. Click on that variable, which are the information you need to collect. For example, first name, title, hiring date, fast number. This one all we don't require. So we just remove all these things. So which are the things we require? Gender, we will make it. So there is a lot of customization facility you will get. Nickname, employee ID, okay, must expansion date. Okay, some few informations only we are going to collect. And save it. Okay, now we are going to send a link, and let me show you how does it work now. Go to the Google Chrome. Yes. See, some minimal information only came here. So that much only information we need to collect. So this is the way we need to handle this. So just close this Chrome, and here we have an option to upload those all the details through Excel sheets. See, import, no, not this one, import Excel, this one. And students list, this one. Students list, I am just clicked on and upload it. Let me show you the students list first of all. See, name, first name, last name, all this field to be enabled in the Excel sheet. Let me show you. In the variant, I will enable all the field, ID number, issue date, and parent phone number. So this is all the information we need to enable. Which are the information which is available in the Excel sheet? Just enable it. Department, I think this much only. Let me show you. Import Excel sheet. Successfully imported, got it. So all the informations came here, the student's name, ID number, grade, everything. So if you want to move to any other school, you can, we will get an option here to move to any other school also, if we upload something by mistake. And here you can import all the bulk images. Like for example, desktop, student staff photos. All the photos are there. I just select all and import it. You know, for the students' photos, I put the numbers and the same number I match in the Excel sheet. Let me show you. Students list, there is a number, is there no profile image. So I just follow the numbers. For student 1, I put number 1, Sharma, this one. Arav Sharma, I put number 1, like that. You got it? And all the informations came here directly. It's very nice actually. And in the designer section, you can go to the design. There is some, some pre-designs are available, ready-made designs are available already. Either you can choose one of this design and you can go ahead. Here, if you want make it like changes or something like that, you can save it. And back, bulk generator. Here already all the designs came here accordingly, according to your data which you uploaded. You can select all or select some few numbers of ID cards. So maybe I think in one A4 sticker 9 ID cards will come. So select 9 numbers and print out in the A4. See? Automatically in the front and back, both options are there, front and back. Export. So it is there in the PDF format, save it. Here it is. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. 4 for 8 will come. One is 9 we selected, that's one. See all the photos clarity again. I will zoom it. Very good quality, right? When you are printing it, no, it will come in extreme sharp quality. And in the back side also you can select, and the back side also you can export. So these are the options. I will select all and I will export it. Let me show you. I will select only 8 pieces. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, and 8. Export in PDF. And export. Let me show you this file. See, front and back both came. Exactly. Front and back, both these sets are there. So it's very nice actually. And if you want to export all this in small folders, also we have options. Export selected items, 8 things. As a zip folder, we can export as a single. For example, if you are using a ID card printer file, so you can choose this one. Save it. In the desktop, I save it. This is a file. So all this name, and you can see single folders. See? Back. Go to another student. Look at that. Front. Look at that. For each students, we can do that. And you will get all the freedom like, designer page. For example, this design, if you want to drag and drop anywhere, informations, all freedom you will get. So it's a wonderful software actually. And welcome to ID Darby.